If you're facing verification issues on eBay after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Review your account information. Check your account details to ensure that all the information is accurate and up to date. This includes your name, address, email, and phone number. Any discrepancies can lead to verification issues. Step 2. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes, browser issues can cause problems with verification. Clear your browser's cache and cookies to eliminate any stored data that might be interfering with the process. After clearing, restart your browser and try again. Step 3. Use a different device or browser. If the problem persists, try accessing eBay from a different device or web browser. This can help determine if the issue is related to your current setup. Step 4. Contact eBay customer support. If you've tried the previous steps without success, reach out to eBay's customer support. Provide them with details about your verification attempts and any error messages you've received. They can offer specific guidance and assistance. Step 5. Follow up on your requests. After contacting support, keep an eye on your email for any responses or instructions from eBay. Be sure to follow any additional steps they provide to complete the verification process. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your verification issues on eBay. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from eBay's support team.